Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to burn belly fat using dumbbells. First, understand that dumbbells are excellent tools for building muscle, which in turn boosts your metabolism and helps burn calories. To maximize your results, always combine your strength training with a balanced, nutritious diet. Remember, consistency in your workouts and maintaining proper form are absolutely crucial for both safety and achieving your desired progress effectively. Now, let's dive into some effective dumbbell exercises. Focus on compound movements like dumbbell squats and lunges, as these engage multiple muscle groups and burn more calories. Don't forget to incorporate core-focused exercises such as dumbbell Russian twists and weighted planks to directly target your abdominal area. For each exercise, aim for 3 to 4 sets, performing 8 to 12 repetitions to build strength and endurance. Structuring your workouts properly is key to sustained fat loss. Design a full-body routine that you can perform 3 times a week, ensuring you have rest days in between for muscle recovery. As you get stronger, gradually increase the weight of your dumbbells or the number of repetitions to keep challenging your muscles. Additionally, consider incorporating high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, for enhanced calorie and fat burning. Beyond your dumbbell workouts, nutrition and lifestyle play a huge role. Prioritize a high protein intake and significantly reduce processed foods to support muscle growth and fat loss. Also, ensure you're getting adequate sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours nightly, as this is vital for recovery and hormone balance. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals to help you on your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.